cuteness affect our perception of surveillance? And how can we measure that on the Columbia University campus? Our initial motivation in this project was to see the different spatial and environmental factors that correlate with the patterns of gathering and interaction in the unstructured public spaces on the Columbia University campus. While we were brainstorming, however, we came across this cute concept, where we have a cute capybara on the lawn that captures everyone's attention and brings people towards it. And then, while we were thinking about installing different sensors on it, we started thinking, how do people willingly accept surveillance when it is camouflaged by cuteness? What are people's boundaries when it comes to different types of overt or discrete surveillance? From this motivation, we devised two sensors. The first one being a touch sensor, and the second one being an ultrasonic sensor. With these two cute capybaras on the lawns and in the public spaces of Columbia, we tried to capture how people react to these cute objects and see what their personal barriers are against data collection of their interaction with the capybaras.
For our experiment, we moved from the lawns to learner ramps because of the weather and selected a table with similar social activity to the lawns. Our protocol was to inform subjects that asked to participate that we would record and analyze their interactions with the capybara for class. We would not tell them how we would do so or why, and denied to tell them when asked so. We also did not tell subjects how to interact with the capybara. Our experiment consisted of 4 deployments, 2 with the ultrasonic sensor and 2 with the touch sensor capybara. The ultrasonic capybara was our more interactive experiment with flashing colorful lights, whereas the touch capybara only had a responsive blue LED. We found that subjects were curious to understand how the capybaras functioned and would interact until they figured out the functionality of each. In fact, no person left before they were confident in the capybara's functionality. It seemed that curiosity and understanding were the main drivers of the length of the interaction. Additionally, people stayed longer with the ultrasonic capybara with the LED wheel. It took them longer to figure out the functionality of the capybara and thus kept their interest for longer. Although its appearance attracted them originally, along with the colorful lights, it did not affect the length of interaction. And to answer our question, how do people willingly accept surveillance when it is camouflaged by cuteness? They accept easily, even when we were purposefully discreet when asked about the project. Upon request, we only stated that we are trying to see how the public interacts with placed objects in an urban environment. They immediately go to touch the capybara without any hesitation. It seems that people willingly accept surveillance when it comes in a cute package.